You know, I took the, this cover off, which actually is right there. That took all that off because the power takeoff didn't want to work very well, so I took this off to clean it out and oil that, make it work. And I put a new filter on here. Well, this camera's right in the way. Ain't much room in here. Put a new filter on there because I suppose it had been changed before because it had a Fram filter. I'm pretty sure it wouldn't have that if it was original factory. So anyway, I'm gonna get busy and kind of clean this thing up a little more right here. Do a little more painting. On this side over here, it might not be able to see it, but that's where the holes were at. And what I did is I just put some JB weld on that. Let it dry good. So we're gonna try it out and see what happens here in a little bit. You know, Harbor Freight sometimes is known for not the highest quality, but this is not a Harbor Freight disc here. I got that off the internet. I can't remember what outfit sold it, but I don't have this kind of problem with Harbor Freight disc. Now, I suppose under certain circumstances they might blow apart like that, but this is not very acceptable as far as I'm concerned. So from now on, I'm just going to get my cut off disc from Harbor Freight and not worry about the rest of them. Yeah, I'm going to see how that stuff cleans off here now. Well, that is if I plug it up, you know, that might help. Yes, every time you try to plug these up, you can throw them. Okay, anyway, let's try this out. Now then, we'll see about putting a little primer on here. I'm not staying too long after I spray this because it's pretty smelly. Get on there, put it up there first, but I already got that sprayed, so we're just going to worry about this area right here for now. And later I'll come in and spray it off air with air so we don't make a malfunction there. It'll probably still be a little bit, well, don't spray very good, does it? Probably still be some dents in it, but it had holes in it before. Starting to stick already. I could have probably used some Bondo. Problem is I didn't have any, but these are no holes sticking through. There's little places under you feel where the stuff's kind of shrank through there a little bit, but we're not working on a Rolls Royce, so I don't worry just too much about whether it's got blemishes in it or not. Alright, that's probably pretty good for that. So it's going to have to dry for a while, and then we'll put some light paint on it. I think that primer should be done by now, so we'll attempt to put some light paint. I know it's going to show blemishes, but the idea was I just want to cover the holes up. Not that it really matters. I got the door open now because this stuff has a tendency to have air about it. Don't want to get too much on it where it runs, but it might anyway. This is not really the greatest thing if you already have sort of a breathing problem, but whatever. Well, I'm gonna start putting on them pretty thick here because of the ripples, or the bumps, but I'm gonna go ahead and go slow with it here so that maybe we don't get too many runs in it. I'm not gonna worry about underneath this guard or shield, whatever they call it, because I'm not going to be under there looking at that much anyway. If you're going to do it completely a restore, you would, but we're not going to do that. Looks like a little dirt left on it I didn't get. Yeah, I see runs in it already. Oh well, whatever. It don't matter. That's my problem. I try to cover too much too quick and it don't work. That's good enough for that. Now, get her on the other side here. And that ought to be good enough for now. Well, I'm going to go in there and let this dry, and then we'll come back out and put some more runs on it. There. All right. All right, that's it for the moment.